Barcelona, dating back to 5000 BC. It's now one of the largest cities on the Mediterranean Sea and a major economic center.
Yeah, that's cool. But what about the tapas, breathtaking views, stunning architecture, and of course, football? Forget the siesta. It's time for the Domino difference at Labelexpo Europe 2025. And this year, it's going to be fantastico. Looking for solutions? We've got muchas. Translation, a lot. Need high-res labels, including high-opacity white wire maintaining high speed. We've got them. With print quality even Picasso would be proud of. Hybrid solutions, like jamón and queso manchego, or in our case, digital and flexo. They're just meant to be. Want more performance? Our newest machine prints at 90 meters per minute. It's like taking the high-speed train to Madrid. Muy rápido. How about visual inspection? Por supuesto. Or in other words, of course. We see what others don't. What about an industry favorite? It's still here, still a beast. Viva N69! Like a sizzling paella, we're bringing the heat. Curious how to unlock the future of label printing? Chat with our experts. They know things. Smarter than AI and way more fun. But they will be muy demandados, so take advantage of their one-on-one sessions. And as always, cafés in the morning, cervezas by afternoon. So come to Barcelona for the culture. Stay for the Domino difference. 3E91 Hall 3.